hours so that the referees could sleep. Many of the bettors had asked for a draw because they had to go to work on the docks loading sacks of sugar. Otherwise, everyone would have wanted it to go to a finish.
For you, young man, we have a winner!
The match had started on a Sunday morning and ended on a Monday morning. For a long time after that, everyone had called me the champion. Man is not much beside the great birds and beasts. Well, they're not as intelligent as we who kill them. They are more noble and more able. I would rather be that beast down there in the darkness of the sea. The fish is my brother, but I must kill him. I am glad we do not have to kill the stars. Imagine if each day a man must try to kill the moon. The moon runs away. But imagine if a man each day should have to try to kill the sun. We are born lucky. It is enough to live on the sea and kill our true brothers. I have never seen or heard of such a fish. And now, we are joined together. I will stay with you until I'm dead, fish. Oh, God, my hand! wish the boy was here. He will be proud of me. I am a tired old man, but I have done it. It was too good to last. Sharks! I should not have gone out so far, Fish. I'm sorry, Fish.
Es gigante, caballero. No lo puedo creer.
Es el más grande que nunca he visto.
Don't sit up. Drink this.
They beat me, Manolin.
He didn't beat you, not the fish.
No, truly. It was afterwards. Did they search for me?
Of course. How much did you suffer?
Plenty. You know, I missed you.
Now we fish together again.
I am not lucky anymore.
The hell with luck. I'll bring the luck with me. Get well fast, for there's much that I can learn and you can teach me everything. I will bring you something to eat. Rest well, old man.